What's up guys, this is Daniel from Valor Comic Services and welcome to the channel. Today I have my first ever mail call from ComC. ComC stands for Check Out My Cards. This is a website that is based around trading cards for sports cards as well as non-sports cards such as these like Marvel cards. It's utilized a lot with eBay. Most of the time, say you go and look for a particular card, you'll go and check eBay and then you'll go and check this website. A lot of times you can get really good deals on this website alone. They also offer auctions going all the time and it's also linked to eBay. So a lot of time you can go on eBay and you'll see this ComC image at the bottom, which means you can go on their website and purchase directly through them. It works a lot like My Comic Shop. So the way My Comic Shop operates for comic books, ComC operates the same way for trading cards. I'm super stoked. I've had these sitting in my ComC account for probably 3 months. I'm very eager to check out these cards in person. All right, let's get into it. Cool. So this is the first time I've ever received anything from this website, so I'm not sure with how the packaging is. It seems like it's multiples put together or grouped together. I'm not quite sure how that works, but we'll check it out. I'm trying not to, there we go. There's those. Save these big ones for last. Alright. So this is the Grandiose High Series Magic. Man, this card looks dope in person. Grandiose Mystique Low Series. Man, that's special. I dig that. The images and scans on the Grandiose series really do not do these cards justice, because in hand these are really freaking cool. The Blue Series Mystique and the color match on this is just so cool. So in order to get the Blue Series, you had to take 10 of the base cards on Upper Deck E-Pack and combine the 10 to get one. Man, that's cool. This guy. So this is the Black series of Mr. Sinister in the High series. And in order to get the black similar to the blue, you had to get 10 blues to create one black. So essentially someone had to take 100 base cards and combine them just to get this. Now, this card's cool and I like it, but this one just pops with color match. Not so much on that one, but I'm glad I have the black. And then the main ones. That's weird. That's fine. I don't need to really take that out. Well, actually, I do. Dang it. Man, this card. I'm really glad I went for this card because this card is freaking cool. And more so with this is a precious metal gem, which is PMG. So here we have the green PMG of Deathbird, but what makes it notable is it's numbered to 10. So only 10 green PMGs, and this is the Omega. It's 10 out of 10. Man, I'm at a loss for how pretty this is. And this card is special. This is my first big purchase on a card, or at least big at that time. Take this out. And just like how Deathbird worked, we've got the green high series magic PMG. Numbered 4 out of 10. So initially I was going to be a magic collector. I really love the artwork on this card because you can see it, and if you know who the artist is, it's Bill Sienkiewicz. I just love the artwork on this. So I decided I was going to collect magic. Over time that transitioned into going heavy for Deathbird, and then really focusing on the Minister Sinister. But this card is just really cool. I have a complete rainbow of magic. It's just scattered on my e-pack, and I haven't sent those home yet. So eventually I'll be able to line them up and have the rainbow of magic as well as Deathbird. This card looks so clean and nice. I'm a sucker for, as you can see here, it's numbered 4 out of 10. I'm a sucker for the number 4. That's just my lucky number. A lot of it has to do with my son. He was born on April 4th, so 4 is more desirable to me than being an alpha. This is a really cool card. So to recap the mail call, Dios to Mystique, the blue parallel to Mystique, which I would love to see how the purple Mystique really shines, as well as some of the PMGs for her. The black Mr. Sinister, green PMG of Deathbird, and then the Grandiose and the green PMG of Magic. Alright you guys, I appreciate you for taking the time to check this out. If you have any questions or if I can be of any help regarding comic questions, feel free to hit me up on my social media platforms. My email is also attached down below. And till next time guys, stay safe.